Let's see how you can easily build an AI chatbot for the Yoga Studio and deploy on multiple channels like Facebook page, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, SMS, even on the website as well. So here I'm in a demo account. Here we have connected all the support channels. For example, if you are wondering how to connect these channels over here, simply click on this channel option over here. It will take you directly to settings channels where you can easily connect any channels you like. For example, if you are wondering how to connect the Instagram account, you will need to simply click on connect button over here. So if I click on learn more, it will take you directly to the guide on how to connect your Instagram accounts over here. So here let me show that. So here you will see the connect button over here, and when you click, you will be prompted to log in with Instagram, and you will need to make sure allow all these permissions over here and simply choose your Instagram account and connect it. That's it. So once it is connected, you can actually build any sort of automations on Instagram. So likewise, it works the same for other channels too. And here, if you're planning to use AI chatbots or AI, then you also need to connect the API keys from any of these AI models. You can use OpenAI, Google Gemini, Cloud, XA, or even DeepSeek as well. You need to simply connect the API keys from those platforms. So if you're wondering how, again click on learn more. It will take you directly to this specific guide where you can simply grab the API keys directly from the OpenAI platform, create a new secret key, and simply connect it on a platform. That's it. Once it is done, you can actually build any sort of automations powered by OpenAI. So it works the same for other AI models like Google Gemini, Cloud, XA as well. So to create the AI chatbots, you need to go to the AI Hub over here. Go to the AI Hub, where you can actually create any sort of AI agents for your own business. So let's create one for this yoga studio called as Horizon Flow. So here we have all the information about that specific yoga studio, including the services, pricing, and other details as well. So we can use this information for the yoga studio AI chatbot we are going to use. So let me copy this name over here and create a new one. Add the name, all right, and click continue. So here in the system message prompt, you can enter all the details about that specific company. So let me copy that information over here and simply enter those details right here. All right, and here you can also add a prompt saying for a customer service assistant to this particular company, respond to customers questions in just 1 to 2 sentences. All right, so here when a particular customer asks any sort of questions, it will simply use the information we have to respond to those questions. And here we have AI tools as well, where you can even upload specific PDF files and then use those files for the AI agent as well. So here you can upload PDF files and other files and use that information to provide more context for the AI agents. Apart from that, you can also create AI functions to collect specific customer details as well. For now, I'm not going to do that, but here by default you will see the connect user to human. So when a particular customer's intent is to talk with the human agent, it will automatically transfer the chat to the humans, and it has also image reader as well. So when a particular customer upload any sort of images, it can simply read and respond as well. Likewise, it works for the documents as well. So here, if you click on this option, here you have the option to set the specific model you are planning to use. So let's GPT 5.4 mini over here. Since we have connected other AI models, it shows up right here as well. But based on the priority, OpenAI model is set up as the first priority. So it will always try to generate a response from the OpenAI first. Only if that fails, it goes to the next models right here. All right. And make sure you set up other things like temperature, tokens as well, and click save. All right, it has been saved. And if you're wondering how to upload the specific PDF files, so AI tools, you can upload any files right here and then select those files in the specific AI agents you are created right here. All right, and likewise you can actually create AI functions as well. For example, get discount to collect specific customer details and trigger specific flows. You can do that as well. But for this specific UI studio, we just build a simple AI chatbot that just to respond to the customer's questions. So here, this is the yoga studio right here. So set this as the default agent. All right, and it will simply work on all these connected channels right here automatically. So you don't need to do anything over here. And if you want to delay the responses, you can do that as well. Go to settings, bot replay delay. So you can set a specific time frame. So set how long the bot waits before replying after the user's last message. If the user sent a message, the timer resets and messages are queued into a single response as well. So if you want, you can actually set a specific delay time as well. But for now, let's choose none as well. So let's test how this actually works. So let me go to the AI chatbot, AI hub, and choose the specific information right here. All right, and now let me share my phone screen. So let's test this through the Instagram. It works the same on other channels too. So let me ask about this business and see how this actually works. So here let's ask about the monthly membership, unlimited monthly, 129 a month. So let me ask about how much is for the monthly membership unlimited. So let me ask this and see how this actually works. So it is actually generate a response right here. So it says our unlimited monthly membership is $129 a month and gives you unlimited studio classes. If you would like, I can also share the premium option with private session included as well. So here, private option, other thing as well. So here, if you ask any of the questions, it will simply respond as well. So here, morning flow 6 a.m. beginner yoga 9, simple as that. So here they have some information about the timing or business hours as well. So let me ask some other questions and see how this actually works. So here the location is this one and this founded in 2018. So let me say what is your location and the when this was founded. So here I asked two questions. Let's see how this actually works. So it should respond to those two questions right there. So it says this is the address. It simply provide the address, and also it says it is founded in 2018. Simple as that. So likewise, if you ask any other questions, it will simply respond to them using the information we have right here. And if a particular customer's intent is to talk with a human, it will simply post the chatbot and transfer the chat as well. Since we have this connect user to human activated, it will post the chatbot as well. But for now, let me go to the unified inbox and show the chat happened. So in the unified inbox, you can track conversation from all these support channels, including the Instagram and other channels too. So here for the Instagram, you see two messages and two messages sent by the chatbot. From here also, agent can easily send any sort of messages as well. So when they send any sort of messages, the chatbot will post and it will be transferred to the human folder as well. But let me untick human and show all the chats over here. So let me send a message saying, can I talk with the human agent please? So here it says, of course I have connected you with the human agent, someone will be with you shortly. Simple as that. And as you can see here, bot active is gone. So if you just filter the conversation only by the human, you will see that conversation right here. And if the particular customer sent any other messages, they won't get any sort of responses from here because currently the chatbot is transferred to the human folder right here. And from here, agent can easily send any sort of messages as well. So for example, let me send some random messages and the customer will receive it right here as well. Simple as that. And that's a quick video on how you can easily build a AI chatbot for the Yoga Studio. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.